They told us avocados were healthy. Doctors praise them. Influencers flaunt them. But what if everything you thought about this superfood was dangerously incomplete? What if eating avocado the wrong way could silently damage your heart, liver, and even your brain? A shocking 2023 clinical report found that improper avocado handling can increase artery hardening fats by 187% in just days. Even worse, 99% of seniors unknowingly make 6 deadly mistakes. One of them alone can spike your stroke risk by 47%. This video reveals all 6, backed by science. If you're over 60, every bite could either heal you or harm you. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments, how often do you eat avocado, and have you ever felt off afterward? We're replying to every comment with personalized tips. Mistake number 6, storing cut avocados with the pit. Leaving the pit in your avocado to stop browning is one of the oldest kitchen myths, and one of the most dangerous. Science shows the pit only protects the tiny area it touches, while the rest browns and spoils just the same. That false security often makes people keep avocados longer than they should, leading to hidden bacteria growth, including listeria, which can be fatal in seniors. Fix: brush the flesh with lemon juice, wrap tightly in plastic or an airtight avocado saver, and refrigerate in the crisper. Done right, avocados stay safe and fresh up to 72 hours. Mistake number 5, eating avocados with blood thinners. One medium avocado has 26% of your daily vitamin K. That sounds healthy, until you realize vitamin K interferes with blood thinners like warfarin. Case studies show seniors eating avocados daily suddenly drop to unsafe INR levels, triggering strokes. Fix: if you're on warfarin, don't quit avocados completely. Instead, eat consistent amounts and monitor with your doctor. Or ask about switching to modern blood thinners that don't interact with vitamin K. Mistake number 4, using unripe avocados in smoothies. That rock-hard avocado you throw into the blender? It's loaded with persin, a plant toxin 3.7x higher in unripe fruit. It can cause bloating, cramping, and even long-term gut damage. Plus, unripe avocados don't give you the creamy fats you want, just bitter starch. Fix: only use ripe avocados. Check by gently pressing in your palm. It should yield slightly, not feel hard or mushy. To ripen faster, keep them in a paper bag with a banana. Mistake number 3, eating avocado with latex allergy. If you've ever had a reaction to latex gloves or balloons, beware. Avocados share similar proteins, triggering latex fruit syndrome. Studies show over 50% of latex-sensitive people also react to avocados, sometimes mildly with itching, but in severe cases, it can cause throat swelling and even anaphylaxis. Fix: get tested if you suspect latex sensitivity. If positive, avoid avocados completely and carry an EpiPen if you risk exposure. Mistake number 2, eating the avocado seed. This is one of the deadliest TikTok trends, grinding avocado seeds into smoothies. While seeds contain antioxidants, they're locked inside fibers your body can't digest. Worse, the seed contains toxic levels of persin and compounds that release cyanide-like effects. Doctors report intestinal perforations and even heart problems from people eating seed powder. Fix: never eat the seed. Compost it, carve it, or use it for dye, but keep it out of your body. Mistake number 1, cooking avocados at high heat. Avocados shine for their delicate monounsaturated fats. But when heated past 270 degrees Fahrenheit, those fats oxidize into toxic aldehydes that damage DNA and raise cancer risk. Studies show grilled avocados can contain up to 15x more harmful compounds than raw. Worse, heating destroys up to 89% of vitamin C and 76% of folate, leaving you with bitter mush instead of a superfood. Fix: always add avocado after cooking. Toss it into cooled pasta, blend into dips, or drizzle avocado dressing over dishes. If you want grilled flavor, grill veggies, then mix with fresh avocado. So now you know, avocados can heal or harm depending on how you use them. These 6 mistakes are silent but serious, and avoiding them could protect your heart, your liver, and even your brain. Now it's your turn. Did any of these surprise you? Have you ever felt bad after eating avocado? Drop your experiences in the comments. We reply to everyone with personal tips. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend over 60 who loves avocados. They need to hear this before their next bite. Stay safe, eat smart, and I'll see you in the next video.